Hi, this is Sherry Summers with the American Accent Workshop, and in this week's American English pronunciation tip, I'd like to show you a very typical three-syllable word intonation pattern. You might not be familiar with these just yet, but basically there are many patterns that North Americans use when they pronounce different words. And this particular pattern is an intonation pattern for a three-syllable word. There are many words that fit under this category, and the way it works is you'll have a word that has three syllables. The first syllable will be very long and strong. The pitch will be high, and this is what we call our primary stress, a long, strong sound. These other two syllables, these little lines represent weak syllables, and in most cases the vowel sound in them will be changed or reduced to a schwa. You may have seen me write these little upside down E's before. These represent the sound So whatever the vowel is, whatever the spelling is, we're not going to care so much because we're just going to say So let me give you an example. Here's some fish that I was thinking about a little bit earlier. Nice to go out to a restaurant and have this kind of fish. Now we see that this is a three-syllable word. Here's a syllable, here's another one, and here's the third one. All of these vowels are different from one another, but the second syllable vowel and the third syllable vowel, we're not even going to really pronounce those. We're going to really stick with that strong first syllable and make a nice ah sound. So this is our word. Ha, and down here, very weak, l, but halibut, halibut. That's how it sounds. This is a very typical pattern. Da da da, halibut. Let me show you some other ones. Here we have elephant, elephant. Notice how the second E and the A in there are just little, they're tiny. These are weak syllables. Elephant. Calendar, calendar. Even though we have an R at the end, that's a very small sound. Der. Calendar. Miracle. Very strong and two weak syllables. Miracle. Here's a good one. Canada. Canada. And of course the fish, halibut. Halibut. So this is a very common three-syllable word intonation pattern. Let me show you some other words, and let me ask you, do they have this same pattern? Da, da da. Listen to the first one. Animal, animal. Does it follow this pattern? It does. The a is very strong, but these two are very weak sounds. Animal, animal. Listen to the second one. Addition, addition. First of all, there's no strength in this first syllable here. It's all in the second syllable. This actually is another common pattern that is weak and then strong and then weak, but it's not the same as the one we're looking at. So that doesn't work. Addition. Hospital, hospital. Strong, budal. Strong, weak, weak. Yep, that fits into the pattern. How about the last one? Guarantee, guarantee. Where's the strongest sound? It happens to be right here. Gar is what we call a secondary stress. Our weak stress is here. Guarantee. This is another semi-common pattern for three-syllable words, but it's not the pattern we're looking for. So animal and hospital fit, but addition and guarantee don't. Listen for these words. Start seeing where you can find these in other words because you'll hear this a lot. This is a really common pattern. Thanks for listening in.